Dear student, welcome to our computer science class. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter 2, more about Scratch. In this topic, operators blocks. In previous section, we go to discuss so many blocks category in this Scratch application program. Now we are going to discuss about the in one of the blocks category. It's called operators blocks. These blocks handle maths calculations and string handling in a script. Suppose if you used to do mathematical operation in your script by using this operators blocks category, then otherwise you can go to apply the string operation. That means string concatenation. If you add one or more string by using this string concatenation process, the time we used to applying in your Scratch application program the discussion of blocks category, that is the operators blocks. Then the operators blocks are color coded light green. We already discussed the every blocks are so many colors or so many types of shapes. In these operators blocks are mentioned that color code is light green color. If you set the blocks of operation by using this mathematical process, that means the basic mathematical operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This is the operation for a basic mathematical or basic arithmetical operation in Scratch application program. Okay, now you can go to discuss some of operators blocks in this session. In first one, addition operators blocks category. It performs the addition operation. So the addition is performed adding two number by given values. In first one, left hand side, then center of the operators, then right hand side of the value. The both value add and the result value is stored on the one specified variable. So by using these addition operators, this is the command for the addition operators. If we go to enter the first one number in this part of area and the mentions of the plus sign, and then second numbers to insert in the second part of area. So the both numbers to add and the result will be get and store the specified variable by using this addition operators blocks category. Okay, then next one, subtraction. If you work out the subtracting of two numbers, so the highest value to lowest value, if you find out the subtractions of two number by applying in your script, these types of operators is called subtraction operators blocks. It performs the subtractions operation. It performs subtraction operation. This is the command for subtraction operators blocks category. If you enter the first one number in this part of left hand side and right hand side will be enter the second one number. The highest number will base on this main sign. For example, if you enter the highest number in this left hand side, the result of the value is positive result. Otherwise, If you go to insert, after the right hand side is the highest value, is subtract the second one number, lowest number minus highest number. This concept to apply, the result of the value is shown minus then given result. Okay, so this is a subtraction operators blocks category in operators blocks instead of operators blocks category. Okay, now the next one is the multiplication blocks. It performs multiplication operation. If you multiply the both two number, for example, you can insert left hand side box and then insert right hand side box. The both number to find the multiply of, after in between of symbols multiply, the both values multiply and the result will be stored on the some special variable. Okay, it performs the multiplication operation. This is the command for multiplication coding. Then you can enter the first one number to here and then multiply symbol, star symbol, and then second one number is here. You can find the result of the multiplication. You can get and store the values in the one set of variable. Okay, this is the multiplication blocks category in operators block. Then next one is the divisions blocks. It is also similar to work on the, it performs the division operation. It performs the division operation. The divisions, the highest number divided by, that means one number divided by another one number, is the given result stored in a one set of variable by using this divisions operation. It is one of the operators blocks category. Now we discussed about the command for divisions blocks category. You can go to enter the first one number divided by slash symbol and then second one number to get the result of the value stored in this one set of variable. Okay, then next one, pick random value. If you get some random of that data, if you collect the value is from starting number to end of the number. For example, the starting number is 1 and end of the number is 50. So in between numbers is randomly selected and store the some special get of value. You can get the number of collection value in pick out randomly by using this pick random value blocks, that means operators blocks category. It choose a numbers with a specified range of value. You can set or choose the number of variable, number of values in specified range. For example, if you set the range is 0 to 50, the value is automatically collected in randomly by using this command pick random 1 to 10. This example of the command pick random 1 to 10. The first one number, that is the starting one number, is mentioned 1 to end of the number is 10. The given input of the values, the pick out the value is in between with, that means 0 to 11, in between with the 0 to 11, the starting with 1 to 10. Okay, then next one, less than condition. If you go to check something condition, the first one value, that means left hand side number less than right hand side number, this condition will be satisfied. That means the condition is satisfied, the result of the value is true output of the value, true value. So otherwise the result of output is false. Then it test for the less than condition, the result is true or false. If you go to check the condition, in first one number less than second one number, the condition is true, the value output is present true output. Okay, by using this less than condition, the command of the less than condition is shown in bottom. Yes, is enter the first one number and in left hand side and enter the second one number in left hand side. If you check the condition in the center of the position, if the less than value is in first one value and right than value is higher value, you can check the values of condition is true, the result value is true output. So otherwise the condition is the higher value is insert in the left hand side and lower value is insert the right hand side. So now go to check the result condition. The condition will be check out false output. That means the condition is not stratified. So the result of output is less than condition is false. Okay, this is the less than condition block category. Then next one, equal to condition. If you go to set the condition, the value right hand side and left hand side both values are equal, that is a common value, or enter both side, the condition is executed with done. Otherwise the result output is true. So otherwise if you go to check the condition is not equal the both value, two values are not equal. For example, in left hand side mention the value is 11 and right hand side value is 12. The given condition go to check, the equal condition go to check, the condition is false, that means not equal the both value, the both values are not equal, the result output is false. It test for the equal to condition, the result is true or false, the based upon the condition. Okay, by using this equal to conditions blocks category in this operators blocks in Scratch application program. So this is the command for equal to condition. So the first one, the conditions of the equal symbol is in between of the two number. If you insert the first one number in left hand side and the second one number is left hand side and right hand side, you can go to check the condition in this operators blocks category, the result will be shown true or false. Okay, then next one, greater than condition. So it is also test the condition for the greater than value. So go to check the value is greater than first one number to second one number, the result of output is true or false, the based on the condition. A test for the greater than condition, the result is true or false. Suppose the result of the value is condition is failure than. For example, this is the command, you can insert the first one number, that means lowest number to insert here in left hand side and highest number insert in right hand side. The condition go to check it, the condition will be false, that means the condition is not correct, so the output of result is false. Okay, then today we discussed the topic, it's operators blocks category and then types. Next further class we will go to discuss next one topic. Thank you.